Welcome to the Kitchen Archive. Today we'll be talking a controversial discussion. Is West African food abroad better than West African food at home? Yes. Can I find West African food abroad that's actually better than what I get at home? I'm about to find out. For many of us, West African cuisine is more than just food. It's a taste of home, a connection to our culture and heritage. But have you ever noticed that when you try West African food abroad, it often tastes different or even better than what you're used to at home? This is a question that sparked my curiosity, and I decided to dive deeper into the reasons behind this phenomenon. The central challenge here is reconciling the nostalgic perfection of home-cooked West African food with the often elevated or refined versions found in diaspora restaurants. I mean, think about it. When you're back home, your mom's or grandma's cooking is always perfect. It's like a benchmark. But then you go abroad and try the same dishes and somehow they just hit different. People often say it with a smile. It just hits different when you're abroad. There's this common sentiment amongst West Africans that there's something special about the way food tastes when you're in the diaspora. One possible reason for this could be the access to specific ingredients that might not be readily available back home. When you're abroad, chefs in West African restaurants might have the opportunity to source ingredients that are imported or harder to find locally. This could result in a more authentic or unique flavor profile that you might not be used to. Another factor could be culinary innovation and fusion. Abroad, chefs might experiment with new techniques or combine traditional West African flavors with international cuisines, creating something fresh and exciting. The presentation and customer service expectations abroad also play a significant role. Dining out in the diaspora often feels like a special occasion, which can elevate your experience. In contrast, at home, West African food is often a part of everyday life, deeply rooted in tradition and community. This doesn't mean one is better than the other. They're just different experiences. It's not necessarily better or worse, but rather a different experience driven by context. Abroad, it's often a curated, elevated dining experience, while at home it's about tradition, community, and everyday life, which are equally valuable. So, when we compare West African food abroad to what we get at home, we're basically comparing apples and oranges. To sum it up, whether West African food abroad is better than at home really depends on what you're looking for. If you're craving a unique, elevated dining experience, then yes,
you might find it abroad. But if you're looking for that comforting taste of home and community, then home-cooked food will always be supreme. Both experiences offer unique and valuable ways to enjoy West African cuisine. So, what do you think? Do you agree? Have you found West African food abroad to be better? Or is home cooking always supreme? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe for more cultural food discussions.